Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the translation as the action button on this device. So in this device on the action button you can see the silent mode is activated. So let me show you how to activate or how to set the translation as the action button on this device. Simply go to settings and here you can see the option action button. Tap on this one. And you can see the silent mode is set to the action button. If you swipe left or right, you can see more options. And from here you have to select the option translate. Just like this one. Now the translate is set to the action button. If you press and hold the action button, now you can see the translate is working. You can see it is converted to English to Spanish. So simply in this way we can set the translation as the action button on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.